What is Gemini? Gemini, short for Generalized Multimodal Intelligence Network, is Google's latest leap in the field of artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional AI models that are designed to handle one type of data, Gemini is a multimodal intelligence network, capable of processing multiple types of data and tasks simultaneously. This includes text, images, audio, video, 3D models, and even graphs. But Gemini is more than just a single model. It's a network of models, each contributing to the overall capability of the system. This network architecture allows Gemini to handle a wide variety of tasks without needing specialized models for each one. The different models in the network collaborate, sharing information and learning from each other, making Gemini an incredibly versatile and powerful AI tool. How does Gemini work? Gemini uses a new architecture that merges a multimodal encoder and decoder. The encoder's job is to convert different types of data into a common language that the decoder can understand. Then the decoder takes over, generating outputs in different modalities based on the encoded inputs and the task at hand. The process can be broken down into the following steps. Input: the user provides inputs in various formats: text, images, audio, video, 3D models, graphs, etc. Encoder: the encoder takes these inputs and converts them into a common language that the decoder can understand. This is done by transforming the different types of data into a unified representation. Model: the encoded inputs are then fed into the model. The model is task agnostic, meaning it doesn't need to know the specifics of the task it's performing. It simply processes the inputs based on the task at hand. Decoder: the decoder takes the processed inputs from the model and generates the outputs. The outputs can be in different modalities based on user preferences. Output: the generated outputs are then returned to the use. What sets Gemini apart? What makes Gemini special, you ask? Well, Nomadev is here to tell you that Gemini has several advantages when compared to other large language models like GPT-4. First off, it is just more adaptable. It can handle any type of data and task without needing specialized models or any sort of fine-tuning. Plus, it can learn from any domain and dataset without being boxed in by predefined categories or labels. The sizes of Gemini. Gemini comes in 4 sizes: gecko, otter, bison, and unicorn. Google hasn't given us the exact parameter count for each size, but based on some hints, we can guess that unicorn is the largest and probably similar to GPT-4 in terms of parameters. Gecko small testing, small tasks. Otter medium moderate tasks. Bison large complex tasks. Unicorn extra large very complex tasks, large datasets. Gemini's creativity. One of the most exciting aspects of Gemini is its creativity. Unlike other AI models that are bound by the data they've been trained on, Gemini has the ability to generate novel outputs. This means it can create content that doesn't necessarily exist in its training data, making it a powerful tool for creative tasks. For instance, if you ask Gemini to generate a story or a piece of art, it won't just regurgitate something it's seen before. Instead, it will create something unique, based on the patterns and structures it's learned during training. Moreover, Gemini is not limited to a single modality. It can generate outputs in different formats based on user preferences. This includes text, images, audio, and more. So, whether you want a written report, a visual diagram, or an audio narration, Gemini has got you covered. Gemini's capabilities. When it comes to capabilities, Gemini is a real game changer. It can perform a wide range of tasks that are more varied and complex than those of other large language models like GPT-4. Here are some of the tasks Gemini can handle. Multimodal question answering. Gemini can answer questions based on multiple types of data. For example, it can answer a question about a text document using information from an associated image or video. Summarization. Gemini can summarize long pieces of text, audio, or video content.